Woodpecker's StealthStop Miter Gauge fits any table saw with a 3/8 by 3/4 miter slot and delivers pinpoint accuracy on angles and dimensions. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. Our massive cutting laser processes sheets of steel into batches of miter gauge head blanks. The blanks spend some time in our finishing department, going through several steps to achieve their lustrous surface finish. Then they move on to the computerized bending machine, where they become three-dimensional. Now they're ready for laser engraving. On the other side of the shop, the index bars are machined and inspected before they're tumbled with ceramic abrasives, dried, and prepared for anodizing. Other components are in process all over the shop, and they're all moving toward the assembly department. If you were among the first to order, your StealthStop Miter Gauge will be shipping soon. If you haven't ordered one yet, what are you waiting for? Order yours today.